How to download FIFA 23 on your PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily install or download FIFA 23 on your Windows. First thing first, you want to have Steam application on your device. If you don't have it, quickly go over to your web browser and then you can just simply search for Steam download and then hit enter. Now click on the first link here and download Steam application. You can find the install Steam application over here, click on it, it will download an installation file and just open that file, run it, it will automatically download Steam. Then you're going to have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one and sign up for it. Now all you have to do next is go to the search bar on Steam and then search for FIFA 23. Now just go ahead and hit enter. Now you'll find FIFA 23 from the list. If not, you can just go ahead and search for it and click on FIFA 22 or 23. It will just show up right here. Then you can scroll down, add the item. So as you can see here, this is no longer available on Steam Store. You can check it out on Steam Collection on the EA Sports website itself. Then once you have it on your website, you can just click on it and then find an option to add to cart. So simply go ahead and click on add to cart. It's going to be $70. Click on view cart and then you just have to check out. I'll just remove this for now, and from this make sure that this is for my account and then click on continue to payment. Now Steam here has provided many options that you can continue from, including PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard, and more. I'll just select Visa card for now, and then you just have to add your card details like your card number, expiration date, and the CVC code. Then enter your billing information. Finally, everything is done. Click on continue and your item will be added to your library. Then you can go over to your library, click on this install button here on your FIFA, and then you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.